When decreasing in crochet, all you need to do is to go into your first stitch as if to make a single crochet. You get the yarn and you pull up a loop. Then you're going to go into the next stitch, get the yarn and pull up a loop. Here we are. Then you get the yarn again and pull through all of the 3 loops on your hook. So now I have worked in 2 stitches, and on the top here I only have 1 stitch. Now instead of working in the second stitch here, which is laying where I would normally go down, I'm skipping this second stitch that I worked in and just going on to the next. So I worked in number 1 and number 2, and I'm going to now go into number 3, and I'll just make a single crochet just to get some some stability for the next one here. So I'll show you again. You'll go into the next stitch, grab the yarn and pull up, and then again into the next stitch, grab the yarn and pull up. You'll have 3 loops on your hook. You're starting the one in the first stitch and the one in the second stitch. Then you'll get the yarn and you'll pull through all 3 loops. I'll just make a single crochet here and show you again. So you'll go in here, grab the yarn and pull up, go to the next stitch, grab the yarn, pull up, yarn over and pull through all 3 stitches. And I'll just work to the end here in single crochet. So there. And you can already see here that the piece that I'm working on was straight before, and now it has started to be decreased, and therefore it has slanted edges now. And in this huge yarn you can also see the decreases. They're normally not that visible, but here you can clearly see here is a decrease and here's a decrease, and here. It looks sort of like a very big single crochet. So I'll change. Oh, did I already do that? Yes. I'll just flip this around. I'll start with a single crochet. And I'll show you again. So you get the next stitch, grab the yarn and pull up, go into the next stitch, grab the yarn, pull up, yarn over and pull through all 3 of those stitches. Go to the next one, not in the second one that you worked in, but in the next available hole stitch that has not been worked in yet. And we're going to decrease again. Insert into the next stitch, pull up a loop, go into the next stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through all 3. And it is important, I'll just go back here. Whoop, whoop. Especially if you're a beginner, it might be a little bit difficult to... Oh, I'll just do this again. If you're a beginner, it might be a little bit difficult to get through all of those 3 loops. But the trick is to grab the yarn and pull back, and then I am actually pushing my needle upwards. So I'm making sure that the hook here is not touching the base of the stitches because it will get caught. I am pulling backwards. Oops. Backwards and upwards. So this is the exaggerated motion, really.